Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad won't turn on, it can be incredibly frustrating. This symptom often indicates an issue with power supply or internal components. If left unresolved, it can lead to further complications, and ultimately, the need for a more costly repair. To tackle this problem effectively, you will need a set of tools including a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a pair of tweezers, and an anti-static wrist strap. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Start by carefully removing the back cover of the Lenovo ThinkPad. Use the plastic opening tool to gently pry it open, making sure not to damage the clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. In many cases, a faulty battery is the culprit. Carefully disconnect the battery by unscrewing the screws holding it in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the battery, inspect the connections for any signs of damage or corrosion. If everything looks fine, check the power connector on the motherboard. This is often where issues arise. Unscrew it and carefully lift it off. Replace it with a new connector if necessary, ensuring you secure it tightly. Always take care not to apply too much force, as this can damage surrounding components. Once all components are checked and replaced, reattach the battery and the back cover. Make sure everything clicks back into place securely. Finally, plug in your device and try to power it on. If it turns on, congratulations! You've successfully diagnosed and repaired your Lenovo ThinkPad. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure you keep your device charged regularly and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance checks can also help catch potential problems early. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.